Okay. See, now what are the different types of files you're going to get? Jar, var, add. So var means what? Web archive. So you need not worry about what is this JSP, servlets, HTML, GIFs, all these things. Okay. These are all developed by the development team. Okay. They are going to work on servlets. They are going to work on JSP. There are different things. Okay. So you don't worry about that. Only remember what is this var? Var is a web archive. Okay. So where you are going to deploy this. This var will be developed for the web applications. Okay. And it will be deployed on a servlet or JSP engine. Okay. So this is what var. So remember, jar is the first compilation. So you're going to get jar is the final one package. And in var, you include this jar also, plus you will be having other components like JSP, servlets, HTML, GIF. But if you remember these terms. Okay. And in jar also, you remember this dot class files and then, okay, some other image files and other components. So now what is EAR? An enterprise archive. EAR means enterprise archive. WAR means web archive. JAR means Java archive. Okay. So enterprise archive. This file represents J2E applications that can be deployed in a WebSphere application server. Okay. WebSphere or WebLogic. Okay. This is a application servers, WebLogic, WebSphere, all this. So when this is an enterprise archive, so you are going to represent the J2E applications which can be deployed on WebSphere or WebLogic. Okay, application server. So EAR files are standard jar archive, standard Java archive files, and have the file extension called .ear. Okay. So EAR file contains jar plus var, okay, plus something called EJB modules. Okay, something called EJB modules. And this all these components, jar plus var plus EJB modules, all these things is bundled as a single file called EAR, Enterprise Archive. Okay, so which consists of complete J2E application file that contains jar plus var plus other components like EJBs. Okay, clear? Is that concept clear? So this much you should know. Okay, what happens in Java? Java, the code is developed by the developer. Okay, once they develop it, I'm going to do the compilation using JDK, and then after compilation, this is nothing but the dot class files you are going to get. How many Java files you have, that many class files you are going to get. This process I'll call as a build automation. So I'll be converting this entire Java into a single executable file, which I'll call as jar var add. Okay. JAR means Java archive, var means web archive, AR means enterprise archive. Java consists of jar means it is nothing but a bundle of dot class files, images, and then other components. Var means web archive, which consists of jar plus other components like JSP, servlets, HTML, GIFs, etc. And ER means enterprise archive, which is going to be represents a J2E application that can be deployed on WebSphere or WebLogic or JBoss application servers. Okay, so ER consists of jar plus var plus EJBs, okay, EJB modules. Okay, once you create this jar var R, finally you have to do the deployment. Okay, this process I'll call as a build. Now you know what is build. Once you get this final artifact, this I have to deploy it on a particular environment. For that you require JVM or JRE. Okay, JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Okay, JRE means Java Runtime Engine. JDK means Java Development Kit. To convert, to do the build automation, you require this JDK. To deploy that, finally, what you are going to get. So if you want to deploy that, you require a JVM or JRE. Okay. So once you get this final package, you deploy it on this JVM, then it will execute this binary and then it will give an output like whatever you have developed. In this .java files, I want an output like hello world or hello whatever name. Then once you get this package, if you deploy it, you'll get this final out. This process I'll call it as a deployment process. Any of this will come to later. Just remember, once you get the final package, what you have to do, you will send it to the customer. Customer will deploy it on this server like JVM, and then they will come to know what you have developed. This process I'll call it as a deployment. Got it? So what is deployment? What is build? What is deployment? First is source code, and then you do the build management, and then you will deploy to the particular environment. This process I'll call as a deployment. We'll come to this later. Okay. First we'll see how this works. So now we are going to do the build automation for Java project. So for this process now, whatever I have explained, you require a tool. We are going to cover Ant and Maven both. Let us see how this Ant is going to work. Okay. This is all about the theory. Okay. Got the idea? So now to implement this build management process. So like SCM process, what we have used, SVN and Git, so that we are able to implement that process. In the same way, build management is also a process, right? Converting the source code into binary. To implement that, you require a tool. That tool will call it as Ant and Maven. Okay. Let us see this how this Ant works and how we can implement all this. So Ant means A-N-T, Ant. Okay. Ant means another neat tool. It's a short form of another neat, N-E-A-T, neat tool. Okay, it's an abbreviation for another neat tool, which is a Java based tool for doing the build automation for Java projects. Okay, and it is used primarily for building and deploying your Java projects. Okay, it's Java based build tool which is going to compile your source code, convert it into a final package, and then deploy it to the particular environment. So to automate this build process, I'm going to use a tool called Ant. Okay. So let us see how we can install these things, Java and all those things, and then we'll try to do it practically, and then we'll try to understand how this is going to be converted. Okay. So now who is going to share the screen?
Let me show you.
Okay. Who is this? Bhavana.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Minimize this. First, let us see whether Java is installed in your machine or not. Okay. Just open a command line. CMD. Just type Java and say enter. See, it says it is not recognizable. Okay, it is not installed. Okay. So now first we have to install the Java, and then we'll see how to install the Ant. Hello. Able to hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಭಾವನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅವಾಗಿಂದ
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
No, sir, ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. So now type ant and say enter. Command line ಅಲ್ರಿ small letter. Okay. See here ant is also not recognizable. So both are not installed here. So let us see how to install this first. Okay. Go to browser, just download the JDK. JDK download. So latest is 17. Okay. Do one thing. Okay, just scroll down. Okay, go to that one. Oracle ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, go back. Go back. 21 ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. Okay, just scroll down. Go down. Go down. 21 ಬೇಡ 17 ಇಲ್ಲ 11 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ outlook. ಜಾವಾ JDK 11 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ. JDK 11 ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ JDK 11 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ರೀ JDK 11. ಫಾರ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್. Okay, Alena, click here if the download does not begin ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. Okay, ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್. Okay, download completed. Okay. Wait. Just go to that path, go to downloads, copy this and put it into a folder called Java Softwares or something like that. We say build management, something like that. Create a folder called build management. Inside this, create a folder called Java Software. Inside just keep that JDK. Okay, see what is this package? Right click and go and see what is the type of this. What is this? See, it's a .exe. Okay, I told right. .exe is a final package. See, for you, they are going to give this as a exe. And if you open this, you can't understand anything. It's a binary. Only you can execute this. Okay. So this is your final package. Okay. Close this. Just run this and see what happens. Okay, we'll install this. Yes, say next. Next. See, it is going to install it in this path, program files, and then Java JDK. Okay. If you want, let it be in this path only. Okay. So just say next. If you want, you can change. Otherwise, let it be in this path. You have to wait. It will take some time. Yes. ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಜಾವಾ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ successfully it is installed. Okay, close this. Okay, open the same command prompt and try Java. So it is not going to work. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to set the path environment variables for this, then only it will work. Okay, go to system, this PC, right click on this PC, go to environment variables, right click on this PC. Okay, go to properties. Okay, see here you have something called environment variables. Just right side will scroll ಮಾಡಿ, right side scroll ಮಾಡಿ. Not here, right side scroll ಮಾಡಿ. Scroll down this. Okay. Advanced system settings, right side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Click on this. See, you can find here environment variables. Okay, click on this. See here we have to set the path. One is user variable, okay, and another one is system variable. So we have to set it the system variable. Okay, just say new. Click on new. Down. System variables ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ತಾನೆ. Okay, variable name. Java underscore home. Everything capital letter. Java underscore home. Next, variable value we have to give. Okay, from where you should execute this. So go to C program files. Take that path. Okay, you have to copy this path. In C colon Java is installed now. Program files. Let's check Java folder. See, just now it is installed 26/7/40 time. Okay. Go inside this JDK. Go inside this bin. Okay. Copy this path. Okay. Remove that bin. Okay. Bin is not required up to JDK 11. Okay. Say okay. Now go to the path there only. Path is there. See, wait. Not here. So in that system variables only, we can see the path. Yeah. Edit. New. Paste this path, whatever you copied. Okay. See, here remember up to path, you have to give up to bin. But in environment variable, you have to give up to JDK 11. Okay. Not required bin. Here it is required bin. Okay. Remember this. Say okay. Say okay. Say okay. Okay. Minimize this. Okay. Now type Java and see. So it won't work in this command prompt because that is a setting for environment variables. You have to open a new command prompt and check. Close this. Close this command prompt. Open new one. See, now something is giving output here. Okay. Just say Java C. No, single word Java C. Java C means Java compile. So it will also give some output. Enter. See, some output it is giving. That means your Java is installed here. So now if you want to check the version, Java space hyphen version. See, this is your Java version. Okay. You can increase the font, command line font a little bit bigger. Okay. Just a command prompt ಮೇಲೆ right click right click ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ just font bigger ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೌಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೈಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. CLS ಮಾಡಿ, CLS. So now your screen is clear. Just type now Java space -. version. Okay, now you can see Java is installed. This is a version. Okay, clear? So this is how you have to install the Java and then set up this part. Okay, so that you can find it in the command line. So don't worry about the programming, developers will develop that. Okay, so now our work is to do this, install this Java and set up, see whether Java command line is going to work or not. Okay, graphically any developer will develop the code. Just type. So if you want to check whether it works or not, just type Java and say enter. If you get output, it is working fine. Before it was not getting, now you are getting the output, right? Just say Java and enter. Enter. See, now you are getting some output. That means your Java is working fine. Clear? Now type ant and say, so ant is not working. So in the same way, we have to set up the ant also. Okay. Go to the Java is done now. Now go to the ant, download the ant. Not here, just type ant downloads. Yeah, go inside that first one. It's a Apache ant, okay? It is a product by Apache. Just scroll down. Just go down. Wait. Java ant downloads you are given, right? Just go back. Wait. Just go up. Wait. Binary distribution is there now. Click on that second point. Top. Binary distribution. Click on this. Just scroll down. Just go down. Go down. No, go down. Okay, go back. Go back. Go down, go down. Okay, binary distribution, just click on this. Scroll down. Wait. Okay, 1.10.14. Requires minimum Java 8. Already we have installed 11. Okay, fine. Okay, download this zip folder. Click on that first link here. Okay, take the zip folder and put it into the Java software folder. Extract this. Extract that folder. Right click on that folder, zip folder. Extract it. Extract here. Okay, go inside that folder. Okay, copy all these things. Entire thing. Copy all. Control all. Control A. Okay. So now go and create another folder called Ant. Okay, just go inside this. Put those content. Control V. Okay, now copy this path. Okay, go to the environment variables again. Yes, new Ant underscore home ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ capital letters. Home, Ant underscore home. Variable value, give that path. Okay. Okay. Next path, go to path. Edit, new, /bin. Say okay. Here it won't work. You have to create a new command prompt. Open new command prompt and see. See, now it is working. Okay, Ant command is working, but it is says something called build failed. Okay, all this thing is fine. Okay, but the output is appearing here. Okay, so This is how you can install the Java and Ant. Clear? So see, now when you type Ant, it is doing something and it is saying that build file does not exist. Build failed. Something it is saying. Okay, it is giving some output. So what it is doing is when you run this Ant command, it is trying to search a file called build.xml. See, read that first line. Build file. Build file. Build.xml does not exist. That means when you run Ant, it is trying to find out build.xml and it says this file is not exist. That's why it is failing. So what is this build.xml? This is a very important thing. Okay. So Ant, ANT, Ant means what? Another neat tool. Okay.